An electronic parking brake (EPB) is an advanced braking system used in vehicles to replace the traditional manual handbrake or foot-operated parking brake. Instead of a mechanical lever, the EPB uses electronic actuators integrated into the rear brake calipers. In Kia Sportage, the electronic parking brake switch is located right here on the center console, near the gear shift. It's marked with the P symbol. To engage the parking brake, simply pull up the EPB switch. You will hear a slight mechanical sound, and the parking brake indicator light will appear on your dashboard, confirming that the brake is engaged. To release the parking brake, depress and hold the brake pedal and then press down the EPB switch. The indicator light will turn off, indicating that the parking brake has been released. Actually, you do not have to manually release the parking brake. The parking brake will disengage automatically when you move the gear shifter out of park and into drive or reverse gear. Now you might be thinking, is there an option to automatically apply the parking brake without having to manually lift up the EPB switch? Yes, there is. For that, you will have to activate the auto hold feature in your Sportage. Just next to the EPB switch, you will find the auto hold button. Press down the button to activate the feature. The auto hold indicator light will illuminate in the instrument cluster. With the auto hold feature activated, the parking brake is applied automatically when the engine is turned off. Now let's talk about the auto hold feature, which works hand in hand with the electronic parking brake. When activated, auto hold automatically maintains brake pressure when you come to a complete stop, so you can release the brake pedal without the car rolling. Before the auto hold will engage, the driver's door must be closed, the engine hood must be closed, and the driver's seatbelt must be fastened. Depress the brake pedal, start the engine, and then press the auto hold button. The white auto hold indicator light will come on, indicating that the system is in standby mode. When you stop the car, the auto hold indicator changes from white to green, indicating the auto hold is engaged and EPB is applied. The system will keep the car stationary even if you release the brake pedal. To start moving again, simply press the accelerator pedal and auto hold will release the brakes automatically. The indicator changes from green to white, indicating the auto hold is in standby and the EPB is released. To cancel the auto hold operation while the car is in motion, press the auto hold button. The auto hold indicator light will turn off. To cancel the auto hold operation when the vehicle is at a standstill, depress the brake pedal first, then press the auto hold button. If you open the driver's door while the auto hold feature is active, the electronic parking brake will automatically engage for safety reasons. The key benefits of auto hold feature are driver convenience and enhanced safety. It reduces the need for continuous brake pedal pressure in stop-and-go traffic, which can be tiring over long periods. And it prevents the vehicle from rolling backwards or forward unintentionally, which is particularly useful on inclines or when stopping on hills. Do not operate the parking brake while the vehicle is moving except in an emergency. If there is a problem with the brake pedal while driving, emergency braking is possible by pulling up and holding the EPB switch. Braking is possible only while you are holding the EPB switch, so if you let go of the switch, it will stop braking. And that's it. Using the electronic parking brake and auto hold in your Kia Sportage is simple and convenient. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wheels Joint for more car tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.